Hi, it's Day. If you want to know how to get this makeup look, continue watching. And don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so, hi guys, my name is Day. We're going to be going in with a moisturizer. It's a serum first, because my skin is dry. And then I go in with the cream, just to really seal it in, especially on my nose, because it peels. And I want it to look smooth for this makeup that we're about to get into. Next is brows. I'm just using a brow pencil, nothing too spectacular. I think I got this one from the hair store, if I'm not mistaken. Not sure. And it has a spoolie at the end, so I just use that other end and I just fill it in. And it's actually a lot harder to do your brows on camera, so yeah. Next, I'm using Anastasia Beverly Hills concealer. Y'all remember when they came out with that concealer? That's what we're using because it cleans up well. It just dries too fast for me to use it like anywhere else besides my brows. So I just keep it minimum to the brows only. And I'm just going to go ahead and clean up underneath. I never had my brows waxed or anything, so this step is actually kind of essential for me. Just get a clean looking brow. So yeah, don't mind them looking completely different. It was just really the way I brushed my hairs. I probably should have brushed them all in the same direction, but you know, I realized it later on, not in this video but in some pictures. I definitely fixed that, but it's okay. They're sisters, not twins. In here they definitely looking different. That was just my, oh, now we're going in with the eye. So actually I used the Jaclyn Hill palette. She didn't name any of the shadows in the palette that I got. So just find any rusty orange color and you're just gonna slap that in the crease and all over the lid basically, besides like the lower lid. Not the lower lid, because you can put it underneath too, but just slap it all over the eye like so, because it's supposed to be fast. Okay, and then after I laid that color down, I took a brush with like a skin tone on it and I just buffed out the edges, and then I sprayed my brush and I applied the sparkling bronze color just to kind of blend. It's not supposed to make it, this is supposed to be a simple eye look. It's not supposed to be too much, you know? Alright, so now for my face, it's just going to be concealer. I'm going in with LA CoverGirl or LA Pro, whatever it's called, concealer. And don't ask me to color it because I never get the same color, so it's just lighter than my skin tone at the moment. And I just go ahead and put that all over. Well, cheeks first. And then the darker one, I go ahead and contour with that right underneath. And I decided to just do this step separately because it kind of dry. It doesn't dry fast, but it just makes it easier for me to blend. As you can see, when I start blending, it just goes on so seamlessly, and I like fast. So we just make sure that we tap that on nice and good, like so. Make sure not to mess up our eye makeup. Then I'm just making sure that my contour is blended out and it's not a harsh line. Okay. And now we're gonna go in on the rest of my face, just a little bit. And I'm also gonna contour my nose just a tiny, tiny bit. And then I just blend that out real fast. That way I don't have no dry patches of concealer on my face, because it's really hard to blend out a dry patch of concealer. It's basically, once it's dry, it's done. So, and my beauty blender is also damp, just in case you guys want to know that, because it was already pre-damped before I did the video. Alright, now I'm just going to go in with the loose setting powder. I believe this one's from CoverGirl, and it's Tru Match, but it's been with me for a while, so I don't even know if they still have it. I don't know. Don't judge me. Listen, I'm just using what I got. Okay. And then MAC Studio Fix Plus, of course. you know, lifesaver. Any blemishes, it will definitely go over because it is a powder foundation. So you just go ahead and put that on the areas that we didn't put any makeup. And yeah, any cream. Alrighty. So now I'm gonna go ahead. Oh, what did my other? Okay, sorry. Okay. So now I'm gonna bring you guys close in to my under eye. Well, as close as I can get because I'm also in the mirror because I'm blind. So this is me doing my under eye, and it's actually with the same brush that we plopped the color in on our crease, and it's with the same color. So this is really fast, and it turns out really cute, especially for summer. If you live in an area that's hot, I would definitely recommend doing like similar steps just to minimize your makeup look but still look glam. Alrighty, so then after I did the under eye, I went in with a little bit of a contour powder. I think, oh, it was from MAC, and I'll have to just leave the name below. Oh, it's Blunt by MAC. And then I also went in with a cream blush. You'll see me applying the cream blush now. And it's a soft pinky color. I'll also leave that in the description box because I don't know the name of it right now. I just know it was a cream blush. And I go in lightly, like I didn't even use that much because I also go in with the powder blush here. I use Milani, and I just take a little bit of that, and I guess I set my blush. I set my cream blush, so yeah. And it just gives it like a little, I don't know. I really got it from Doja Cat. So yeah, and then I'm just going in with a little bit of mascara here. Just to coat my lashes. I was trying to see if I wanted to put lashes on or not. I decided to go ahead and put lashes on, as you'll see later in the video, but I did it off camera because I was already struggling and it was hard. So yeah, so I'm just coating with mascara. If you didn't want to do lashes, you could definitely stop here, but that wasn't the case. Now I'm just finishing up with some highlights, just a little soft touch. I do my highlight differently depending on what I'm going for. So this was definitely a soft glam, so I just went in with a fan brush, nothing major. And I do my cheeks, my nose, my cupid's bow, a little bit on my chin, and of course that's it. Yes, get that highlight on, girl, get it. And then I just go ahead and set that with a setting spray of my choice. It really don't matter, I'm telling you. And boom, this is it. You see how those lashes make a difference? Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it. And I'll definitely see you in the next video.